Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a calculator using Python. Oh, I didn't notice it. I've just made a typo right there. Okay, let's go on with the coding process. So we will just be making a function named as calc. So first we can just take the operator input, it would be better. So at first it will just ask about an operator. It'll ask the user which operator you want to use. Yes, okay. So it'll be just a simple one. Okay, now let's go on further. Num1, or we could say directly n1, float input, enter the number 1 for calculation. We would just simply change it by on this, then we would make a simple if loop for that. Now what we're going to do would be, if OP equals to, for example, plus, first basic thing everyone needs in that, and the calculator is plus, minus, and multiplication and division. So like that, that's pretty easy. So let's do that. So it'll just print a simple one, n1 plus n2, and for the next one, if operator is negative, negating or the subtracting operator, then print number 1 minus number 2. Yeah, it's better, no? Then AP equals for example, like if we start what we say as multiplication 1, so it would print, what the fuck is that? Okay, no, then it would just simply multiply and print then if operator is equals to divide function, then we could make a divide function and we would tell it to, then it will print quotient of division first, which would be simply n1 by n2, and then it will print what you say as remainder of division, which would be this, or mod, and this, and yeah. Then we could just get an operator input as flow division. So if there's flow division, then we could simply say flow division of n1 and n2 is it would be this one. And if someone wants the operator to be of powers, of getting powers, then it would simply be printing the powers of that power of a particular one as given an input, and then we could simply say GG like that. Press Y to continue. Then we can use like that, and yeah, if TG equals Y dot lower, then it will simply print nothing and continue doing its work, else it would be exiting the program. And at the end, just full, else, then like that. No such operator fed, and then what it would do is just simply recall the function, or what we say as function recursion. Now let me call the function right there and try to run the code. So let me bring it here. Which operator do you want to use? Is like, I want to use this operator, and to number 1, 2's square I would take, it would be 4.2. If FG, then it's exiting. So you see, that's how we make it, rather than we could have even took this whole code inside if loop, or what we're using. This approach, it's also a good one. In this approach, we don't really need to care too much about the indexes and the indentation of the program, but still, if you guys want to use that one or anything else, like, go ahead, and well, I can show you that again. I can show this one to you too. We could just simply copy the code, then we delete it from here. Then we just print the code here. So if it had started it like that, then it would have been a lot of problem for indentation. But still, whatever is going on is not a big problem, and neither this one is. So yeah, I guess that's all for the video. Do give me a like, consider a sub, share this video to help others. Have a nice day. Keep on asking me more queries. See you guys in the next one.